and that is the topic of sea salt. We talked a little bit about the iodine being put in table salt, and then we talked about how nobody wants us to use it. So I'm here to tell you that there is a salt that you should be using, and you should use it every single day on purpose. It's called Celtic sea salt or Hawaiian sea salt. These salts have 80 vital minerals in them. Table salt has sodium and chloride. So if I want to salt my food, this stuff tastes delicious. It does not have iodine in it. So don't forget that. You have to take your iodine. I have heard that there are some companies putting iodine in sea salt, but they're not putting it in this sea salt, which has the highest mineral count. You see how wet this salt is? It's very heavy. It's actually, you have to grind it in the grinder. The wetter the content, the wetter the salt, the more minerals it holds. So we have seen people using sea salt to lower their blood pressure. Does that make sense to you, like taking salt? You have the buffering of the minerals to offset the sodium, so it releases the fluid from the body. Many people can get off of water pills or diuretics by using sea salt. And many times people will say, wow, I started using the sea salt and my rings come off my fingers so much easier. I don't understand that. I'm eating all this salt. And if salt is not your thing because you haven't acquired a taste for it, try putting some in your water. Just a little bit. Not enough to make it taste bad, but just a little bit, a couple of grinds in your water. Put it on your food, put it in your food, just get it in. About a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon a day is what our bodies need that. And then make sure that the water you're drinking, of course, is going to be filtered or pH balanced, even better, making alkaline water. And that's what adding the sea salt to the water actually does, is it alkalinizes the water. And that is one thing that when you learn about pH balance, cancer only lives in an acidic environment. Our bodies get acidic when we eat meat or sugar. So when we eat plants and use sea salt and minerals like that, we alkalinize the body. And that helps to prevent it.